So, Obi Jackson also have a foundation, and this is not the first time he's doing giveaway. This is not the first time he's giving his community people food. But the devil just came from somewhere, from nowhere. Oh my goodness, to make this man look so bad. Anyways, we don't really know what happened to these persons, but we are also expecting an update from Obi Jackson. We are expecting a video, a word from him. So we will also bring it here and see or hear or carry you along about what happened. But let's stay carefully to the video and I'll be right back. Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the massimo love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I will want to share with you wonders they normally say shall never end. See, a lot has been going on, and this is Christmas season, of which we know that anytime there is Christmas celebration, there will be party, people will be giving out food, a lot of things will start happening. Free rice, free drink. They will say, oh, they saw some palliative government houses, something, they should go and carry and all that. So it happens that something happened in Anambra State, where some person said it is Christmas period, they should go and carry rice, so rice to eat. And what happened? They put snapper inside that rice. I don't really want to say too much. I want to listen to the background video, because a lot of people don't turn RIP just for looking for something to eat. Oh, just going to that place to carry rice, make I go carry rice, make I come back house. Now they turn RIP after eating the rice. And a lot of people still, when they support this evil, say, oh, why would they go and carry rice? The hunger when it's there for the community, the hunger when it's there for the land. If you not reach where you dey, there are other people that are hungry. They could not resist it when they heard that they are giving free rice. What were you expecting? I just want to listen to the background shot end. They are sharing rice, and all these people where you they see, I will be putting some of the pictures. Those people now, they don't turn RIP, they don't die. This happened in Anambra State. So now tell me, because of food, did you not say that some people should not go and carry food when they say free food day? The country is hard. People are hungry. A lot of things are happening. You don't expect them not to go and carry rice now. I can see some persons from the comment section saying that, oh, why not they go they carry food? Any food they did not give to me, I will not eat. My brother, my sister, if you have the money to sustain yourself through this Christmas period, or anytime there is hardship, or through this season of this hardship, if you have the money, does not mean that Mr. B also have the money. You have the money to take care of yourself and your family. Why some other persons, they don't even have the money, they don't even have what it is, they don't even know what to eat. Some persons are there throwing away food. Now tell me, Anambra State, what is going on? This time around now, no be Bakasio. This time around now, not Eastern Security Network, oh. This time around now, not IPOB, oh, not Biafra, oh, not Nigeria Police, oh, but now they are now using the new tactics. I don't know if your brain is connected to what I'm saying now. This one are the new tactics now when they don't put in place to be reducing the population of people. How human being, that is, they just like inject the rice. You will not even know that it's open. Inject it in so many ways, and they left it. And what happened? These people went there, collect food, collect rice, carried home, and what happened? They turned RIP. A lot of people will be saying, oh, who did this? Who did this? Who do this thing? Who do this thing? My people, the time you are shouting up and down and asking you need solution, you need somebody that do it. It is high time for you to know the truth. What is really happening? Why will such a thing happen at this time? What is really going on? You see people lie down for everywhere, dead body full everywhere, just because say they went to eat food though. They went to eat Christmas rice. After collecting the rice, what happened? They turned RIP. A lot of them were found dead in their various houses. And they are now asking them what really happened. Before they start saying that a snapper in a particular community, Okija community, Anambra State, has left several residents dead. The incident occurred on Saturday when a large crowd gathered to receive free bag of rice to the residents. In a village posted by the Anambra people, they said these people went to carry food, free rice. And what happened? What happened after eating the rice? All of them started to turn RIP one after the other. This thing did not just happen to some specific people, but what happened is that after carrying the rice to their various home, they cook the rice. This one, they turn RIP. They say, 7 people die for you, 3 people die for you. Just in the community. You know, when it's free food, that morning or that afternoon, they will just assume that, oh, food already, let us eat, it's free rice. Anybody that ate from that rice, all of them, they turn RIP. Now, what do you think is the cause of this? Number one, who brought that rice? Number two, where was this rice from? Number three, who are the people that load this rice in their various places? Like, who are the people? Who be those people who say they carry the rice to arrange them and start sharing them? They have to gather all these people together. They have to answer these questions. What are you saying? That the rice you share to people for Christmas after eating the turn RIP and not the this moment that's still waiting for Governor Soludo to come and say something about it. But no, wait till we see Governor Soludo with his wife, they do now exercise that they do for them. They don't open a very big health whatever that they are doing a health fitness and all that. When something happen for the state where you the governor, this thing happens since on Saturday. Today Saturday. That is when it happens. After eating this rice, all of them one after the other turning RIP. And I'm so disappointed when a lot of people were saying that it saved the rights. They took girl on throat. That is good for them. It saved the rights. My people, if you have it, does not mean that Mr. B has also. If you are able to eat 1 square meal 2 times in a day, 3 times in a day, there are some persons that do not even have one to eat. So don't blame them because they went to carry rice. The country is hard. Things are difficult. The people are hungry. Now, instead they look for people when they inject this thing. What they will be looking for is people where they share them. They will not talk about it all. They will say, why did they went to eat it? Their own is too much. Long throats. Like one person that drop a comment and say, oh, my mother will never go to this place. My sisters will never go to this place. My brothers will never go to this place unless I send the food to go and give them. If not, they will never go. My brother, my sister, wherever you are, you have the money to give to your family. You have the money to give to your mother. You have the money to give to your father. What about those people? Those people that does not have anybody to give to them. What are we saying? Bikonu, make me understand. You said you have the money to give to your family. Those people did not have. Or you have the money to give to your mother. You have to give to your father. Or your parents have the one they will eat. That is why they did not go and collect the free rice. That those people that went to collect the free rice, it serves them rice. My brother, that is not good. Those people might not have what it takes What you have today, those people don't have it. The privilege you have today, what you enjoy today, they don't have it. So they need to go and carry that rice. You know how much be sack of rice? Sack of rice now for Nigeria is 120,000 naira. 120,000 naira. Sack of rice today for Nigeria, 120,000 naira. This rice skyrocket, like they put extra 70,000 naira within 4 months. What are you saying? These people, they don't have it, that is why. So my beautiful family, I said, let me bring the update for you, what is happening and what people are saying and the reaction of people. Is still do well, or you should also drop your own opinion in the comment section. What do you think about everything that is happening? This happened in Anambra State. What do you think? Oh, we want hope for this one now. The country is hard and things are difficult. So please share our videos. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analysis. I keep on giving you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye-bye.